Karen Rambo is a librarian who has a passion for writing and singing. Here she is with her first music video. Animals of the Night.
It's so hard to be what I am, a stranger in a foreign land.
Hey, can you sing a little louder? We got these mics from a thrift store.
We are not monsters, we are animals.
We are not monsters. You're also not a singer, musician, actress, model.
Never believed he would ever try to kill me, but he stole my heart, ripped me right from my chest.
Oh, he's got that werewolf disease where you only have fur on your wrists, but not your neck or your elbows.
All right, Aaron, I'll be in your video, but you're gonna waive all my past due library fees.
We are not monsters, we are animals.
Least sexiest threesome ever.
You and me, we are one and the same. We are one, we're just from a different planet.
Listen, I'm no music producer, but I'm gonna say you have a little too much hi-hat in your song.
We are the animals that kill. We are the animals.
I think I speak for librarians everywhere when I say, shh.